The first secret to maximizing Data Integrator is to use responsive error handling. In most cases, our customers want to react and handle errors as they occur. By default, Pervasive will exit a process as soon as an error is encountered. Alternatively, a process can be configured to allow errors, which will allow the process to continue executing through completion regardless of an error occurring. What we have found is that neither option is practical. Responsive error handling can be introduced to ensure that the business needs are met and all errors are handled appropriately as they occur. For example, if a step in a process cannot find a file, the process should not abort, nor should it continue execution as if the file exists. Instead, responsive error handling should be used to handle the missing file exception and send an email to the appropriate recipients. Custom error handling should be used to ensure that a process is behaving as intended as defined by the business rules. By introducing responsive error handling, you can gather and react to errors as they occur versus having to dig through the error logs to identify why a process aborted. Processes that contain steps that are dependent upon the success of a previous step are ideal candidates for implementing responsive error handling. The use of responsive error handling is beneficial to the developer who implements the code for responsive error handling and the end user who defines business rules and reviews the results of responsive error handling. Responsive error handling is implemented within the process designer. During the execution of a process, Pervasive stores metadata about the process and its steps and session objects. The metadata can be accessed via rifle script in both rifle steps and event handlers. One approach is to create a rifle script step immediately after each step that ignores an error. This ensures that errors are caught immediately as they occur and can be handled appropriately. To implement responsive error handling, the process must not be configured to break on first error. Additionally, all steps should be set to ignore error. Then, by inserting rifle script steps, we can handle errors appropriately. If you have any further questions on how to introduce responsive error handling to your processes, please reach out to Emprise. We're more than happy to help.